Hey, what is up? My name is Catherine and welcome back to Throwback Thanksgiving week. If this is your first time checking in this week, I'm posting a video every single day doing a tutorial with a palette that is at least 1 year old or older. And today's palette is the Morphe Jaclyn Dark Magic palette. So this is from the Vault collection with Morphe, and this whole collection, there was a whole lot of drama around it. People saying it was the worst palette, people saying it was the best palette. At the end of the day, it's a $15 palette with a very unique color story, and I think it is a good palette for the price. I don't think the shadow quality is as good as Anastasia, but like I said, it's $15 and obviously I can make looks with it. It's a very workable palette. I don't think it's insanely difficult to work with. There's pigment there. And I haven't really made a video since this came out over a year ago with it, just because there was so much drama around it. And then it is a very dark palette, hence the name Dark Magic, which I tend to not do like very dark smoky looks a lot, but I thought I would do a cute little smoky eye today. Thought it would be fun. Without further ado, if you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe, and I am running a giveaway all week long as well, so I will leave the link with details for that in the description box. And I believe that is it. Let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Since I'm doing a colorful look, I primed with my, where did I just put that? Primed with my Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas, because this is good for providing a really good base for colorful eyeshadows. And I'm using my trusted BH number 11 and going into this shade Shh, which is just a classic taupe shade. And I'm just dusting that into the crease, nice and light as a transition shade. Now I'm taking this old ColourPop brush. I don't think they make it anymore. When they made it, it was called a blending brush. And I'm going into Inside Out, which is this darkest matte green shade. And I'm just packing that all on the lid, like as dense as I can get it. I'm gonna like pull it up slightly in a little bit of a winged shape, just so we have like a little bit of some fun shape going on there, and we'll blend that later, don't worry. And now I'm taking my Lime Crime blending brush and I'm going into Mojo, which is a dark matte brown. I'm going in pretty lightly, tapping off the excess because we're going to be blending with this. So I'm just kind of going in the very light hand at the top of where I placed that green shade, and I'm doing very, very, very light circles. And this is probably going to be like a little bit of a process because we're taking two dark shades and blending with them. So I'm just being really patient, using a really light hand, and remember, you can always add more. It's a lot harder to fix it when you've put down too much of a dark color. And I'm just gonna go back into Shh and blend that upwards just a little bit more. And I'm going back into Inside Job and just packing a little bit more of that on there as well. I don't really feel like I need to, just to help bring some extra oomph and help that fade into the dark brown. Alright, so that's all for now. I might add some black to the upper eye, but I'm going to do the rest of my makeup before I decide that, so I will be back. I'm now going into Inside Job, that dark green color, with my favorite liner brush, and I'm lining my under eye with that. And I'm making sure that it like fully lines up with where the shadow comes out at the wing. And I'm taking this e.l.f. brush that has a worn off label, so I really don't know what it is. It's so old. Going into and running that along the under eye to really smoke out that green. And I'm taking this Luxie 141 and I'm going into Power Cut, which is this like silvery taupe shade. And I'm going to pop this onto the inner part of the eye. I'm not going to add any black shadow, but I am going to do a little bit of eyeliner. Alright, I added some mascara and lip gloss, and this is the final look. So it's very dark, smoky. I feel like this would be really good for like a holiday party, but like not a family party, because I never wear makeup this heavy to family parties, but like maybe you're going to a New Year's thing with friends, or maybe you do some other holiday party with your friends, or if you're just going out to the club around Christmas, because it just has that nice like subtle, I feel like when you have like a smoky look like this, it doesn't really like scream colorful, but it is like that green festive color, which is fun. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway if you are interested. I'm here all week long, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye!